Hi everyone, I will show you how to make your account private on TikTok. First of all, you need to open your TikTok app, then go to your profile and tap the three lines on the top right and go to settings. Now go to privacy. Now tap to private account option. Now your account will be private. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.